Hey, what's up guys? This is 3D Bonfire back with another amazing tutorial, and lately I'm just curious about combining AI workflows with my traditional 3D tools. I think this mode is called PolyGen from Hunyuan 3D, and this new topology mode tool actually promises that it will clean up topology like this one. So you can see this is pretty ugly, and now this one seems to be way more clean. And I mean, just look at this one. I think that this is probably an optimized example to just show how powerful and clean this is. It will not always be this clean, all right, but you can see this will create models with 10,000 polygons. So it is more aimed for, I would say, game assets and not for your high quality 3D commercials. But you can see at least that this one seems to clean up the topology pretty well. And then, I mean, also these ones, when I look at that, then I'm pretty amazed that the AI is understanding that the topology is flowing around here, around these corners. So I would say this tool is definitely worth it to at least test it out. And you can see that I just prompted a lot of images here for this connected, consistent design world. I mean, all of these names for this mini game are kind of stupid, I have to admit, all right? But I'm just testing out these new AI workflows, so please don't hate me for that. And you can also see that here for these examples, for example, this is a version where I tried the quads mode, and I would say that the polygon flow is here quite promising. So of course, yes, sometimes you will still get triangles, and for example here the flow, you can see that this one doesn't really align with the object, and also these polygons up there are a little bit strange. So let me reframe this one. This is not perfect what you will get out of this tool, but at least I think that this one will show you that, I would say, like in half a year or a year, it's hard to predict stuff like that, but I mean, I think that this is getting better and better. You can see that this one can see where the connections should be, where the polygon should flow around. So sometimes it is doing a very nice job, but then of course sometimes in other areas, yes, it seems to be pretty unclean. So I don't want to pretend that this tool is perfect yet, but honestly, when I just look at this one, I think that this is, yeah, it's just getting better and better. So it is good to prepare that maybe pretty soon this will, yeah, let's just frame it like this. I don't want to pretend too much. So I think that this is just getting better and better, and I don't know where this is going. But if you want to try out this model generator, you can just go here to Hunyuan Tencent, and I think you have to right click here, and now you can understand the wording. And when you are just new on this page, then you have to verify with your email. You get a verification code, and then you will get 20 credits for 20 models a day. If you want to test this new mode, this 10,000 polygons maximum low polygon mode, then you can go to the smart topology mode here. But I think you can also access it when you just go to laboratory 3D smart topology, click it here, and then you just have to put in a single image. You can also go with multi images, but I think that this is not even worth to do it. So stick to the single image, set it to triangles of 4 sides, and then you get a model, hopefully in the quality that you can see here for the strain. But just be prepared that these results are not there yet. These are just experimentations that I'm doing right now to be prepared for what is going in the industry and might change over the next months or years. So I just want us together to just know where the industry is going, and yeah, just be prepared for what will or might come in the future according to AI changing the industry. So yes, let's just be prepared and a little bit open-minded for these new AI tools. I'm not an AI fanboy, but yeah, I just want to think about these new tools together with you guys, okay? All right, so I think that this is it for today. See you in the next video. Bye everyone.